Pull up my new fancy analysis of the work that I did so I can tell you. Zarmany, you were there, right?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and start. Let's see if other people join. That way, faster we start, faster I can finish, faster I can get back to coding. The good old days. All right. Zarmy, you want to start talking about stuff that isn't House of Boy related? I'll handle House of Boy.
I don't know what else I have that isn't House of War related. I did some updates over the weekend, I think over the weekend, on AVM Studio. I think that was this past weekend. Um, to fix some bugs and to make that a little bit more make that like the agent mode a little bit better. I integrated um the Algorand dev people released a set of skills that includes like documentation and where to find documentation and like best like practices. I think there were like 9 or 11 different skill files, so I incorporated those into the build process and made them available via tools inside of the AVM Studio agent. So um, all of that is live and functional. I don't know. I am working on an X402 application that's kind of a standalone application. It's not voice centric, but my goal is to take the work that Go Plausible has done for Algorand for like making X402 facilitated transactions possible, um, and just extend that to Voy because I believe it's just setting the chain ID. So I don't even think we do anything. I think we by 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 providing a chain ID, we can make X402 transactions work on Voy as well. So that would be, I think, pretty cool. So there's some stuff I'm working on with that, but nothing really to show. Um, I think that's it. Unless unless you can think of anything I've missed.
I mean, other than the House of Boy stuff I'm about to talk about here.
Yeah, I'll let you talk about all that.
All right. Okay. Last week, wallet system finalized. All core wallet creation, connection, and signing features are completed and tested. We were able to close that last week. Liquidity pool interfaces have been designed and work was started on it. Zarmin is crushing out the code there. The idea here is to actually make it easy for people to go in and out of the house and make sure that's all smooth. Um, Wallet signing experience is improved. Users now can receive clear recommendations for which signing method to use based on their wallet type. Um, and On-chain contracts are 83% complete, nearing readiness for game integration. Um, Dave actively built the LP pool system, like I said. Delivered 3 substantial pull requests this week. Great job, Dave. We created a quality gate established. All code changes now require passing automated tests before merge. This is one of the things I've been putting a lot of effort in is that we want to make sure that good code goes in, so making sure there's proper gates along the way. Um, we created a parallel development tool so that you can actually work on multiple different issues at the same time without stepping on each other, which is really cool. It uses GitHub work trees. Um, and That's about it. That's major stuff of last week. A lot of infrastructure stuff, a lot of wallet stuff. Users can't play yet. We're still in the infrastructure, like the foundational pieces being done this week. Hopefully, Dave's going to finish the LP stuff. Um, And what I'm going to be working on this week is I'm going to start filling out patents, and getting those out and done, and go into the pending process. Also, relooking at the actual testing process, mainly because we're starting to have a lot of testing because there's a lot of different pieces of House of Voy, and I don't want it to make the development experience suck. Um, but other than that, that's about it on my side. The only other thing here is that on Monday, I heard the council is missing me tremendously and wants to see me again. So I'll start be going to the council meetings upon their requests. That's everything. Did anybody else come in here? I was actually looking at a different screen. Nope, that's it. Then we can just move on and call it good. Sound good, Dave?
Nothing else.
All right, I'm out. See you guys.
Awesome. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Fury. See you later.